When was the last time that you looked in the mirror and thought, yeah, I follow that guy into battle? You used to be a successful athlete, the guy that other people looked up to, but now you pulling your shirt away from your belly and hoping that no one notices that you've gone up 2 notches in your belt. But here's what I know, my man. That athlete, he's still in there. He's just buried under some bad habits and broken systems. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to dig him out and get him back in the game. And if we haven't met yet, I'm Coach CC Matthews. And for the last 17 plus years, I've helped former athletes who are now 6 to 7 figure executives and business owners, men who've let their bodies slide while building their careers and businesses. I help them drop 15 to 20 pounds, restore all day energy, and reignite their athletic drive in 90 days. No calorie counting, no hours on the treadmill, just Prime Recomp Method. So let's be honest about your track record, okay? Let's just keep it real. You've tried everything, haven't you? Keto worked until you had to travel to Houston and there wasn't a lettuce wrap within 50 miles of the airport. You downloaded MyFitnessPal, you logged food for exactly 4 days. It's something about those 4 days, but then you gave up when you couldn't figure out how many calories were in that business dinner. And you bought a Peloton during COVID, used it for about 3 weeks, but now it's like a $2,000 clothes hanger. You hired a trainer who designed workouts for someone who doesn't run a company and doesn't travel. Then boom, 2 sessions you missed, and then you felt guilty for going back. So you just never returned. You've tried intermittent fasting, paleo, running apps, counting macros. Now, some of that worked for 1 minute, but here's the pattern. They all fail the first time that your real life showed up. The first business trip, the first stressful quarter in business, the first family emergency. None of these systems fail because they were inherently bad. No, they fail because they were not built for your life. They were built for people who have unlimited time and zero real responsibility. And man, that's just not you. And let me tell you the biggest lie that the fitness industry just keeps selling you. They keep telling you that your 40-year-old body should work out like a 22-year-old body. My man, it's a trap and you keep falling for it. At 22, you were metabolically bulletproof, man, meaning you could eat pizza at night and wake up with abs. Your testosterone was through the roof. Your recovery was instant. And you could party on Saturday and then dominate practice on Sunday. Your body was a Ferrari with a full tank and perfect tires. But now in your 40s, you're driving a different machine. Your testosterone is a little bit lower. Your recovery takes about 3 times longer, and your metabolism has shifted, and your stress hormones are chronically elevated from building a business. You're not driving a Ferrari anymore. You're driving a Porsche. Still high performance, but needs premium fuel, regular maintenance, and a different driving style. But every fitness program just keeps giving you Ferrari instructions for your Porsche. Hey, just push harder. Hey, just eat less. Just do more cardio. Man, that's just like putting regular gas in a Porsche and then wondering why the engine starts knocking. It's not the car's fault. It's the fuel and the instructions. Your body isn't broken, my man. Your discipline isn't broken. You're just using the wrong manual. So I'm about to give you the right manual, one that's written specifically for high performance 40-year-old machines. So what happens when you finally get the right manual for your Porsche? Let me tell you about Dan, business owner and motocross athlete. Classic high performance business owner trying to run the wrong fuel while dealing with nagging injuries that were keeping him off the track. And when Dan came to me, man, he was frustrated on like many levels. The belly fat was obvious, and you can clearly see that in the before photo. But what you can't see was the deeper problem, the injuries, the imbalances that were stealing his strength and keeping him from doing what he loved. And he wasn't just out of shape. He was sidelined from motocross racing, struggling with energy as a business leader, and feeling like his body was failing him when he needed it most. So we didn't just give him a generic fat loss program and say, hey, here you go, have fun. No, we built a complete restoration system. We worked around his injuries, improved his imbalances, and restored his strength in weak areas using the Prime Recomp Method, the 4-quarter fueling system that worked with his business schedule, the metabolic priming sessions that are designed to build functional strength, not just burn calories. And then the weekly game tape reviews to adjust his recovery and progression. And here's what Dan said: now I feel like I have complete control over my health. Coach CC helped me gain strength to get back into dirt bike racing again, energy to lead as a business owner, and I've seen a huge improvement in my overall fitness as well. We didn't just get him back in the game, we got him back stronger, dominating in business and back on the motocross track. Same guy, but now the right manual. So what exactly is the Porsche manual that got Dan back on the motocross track and dominating in business? It's called the Prime Recomp Method. 3 integrated systems that work together like a perfectly tuned engine. System number 1, the 4-quarter fueling strategy. Just like your business has quarters, your day has quarters. Each quarter has a specific fueling requirement for optimum performance. Quarter 1, which is your mornings, that's when you're going to prime the engine with protein and healthy fat. That is what your brain needs for premium fuel for decision making. And then quarter 2, which is midday, this is going to sustain focus with adding lean protein and vegetables. So that way you don't get any crashes and no brain fog. And then quarter 3, which is the evening, you're going to recover and rebuild with double the protein and quality carbs. So that way your body repairs itself overnight. And then quarter 4 is optional. And we're going to adjust that based on whether you're traveling, entertaining clients, or recovering from jet lag. And the measurement system, it's your hand, my man. Palm equals protein, fist equals vegetables and carbs. System number 2, the metabolic priming sessions. Hey, we don't just work out to burn calories. No, that's what your 22-year-old thinking and body was doing. But now we work out to prime your metabolism to burn fat for the next 72 hours. 30 minutes, 3 times a week, athletic density sets. This is going to give you continuous movement that builds muscle and conditioning at the same time. And hey, look, this isn't going to be any standing around texting, no long hour sessions, no equipment that you can't find in a hotel gym. This is going to be maximum metabolic impact in minimum time, because time is your most valuable asset. And system number 3 is going to be your weekly performance reviews. Hey, every successful business has performance reviews, right? So why wouldn't your body? And here's what that looks like. Every week, we review your game tape, which is your body stats, your workouts, your energy levels, and whatever it is that you're going on in your lifestyle. And then we analyze that as your head coach, like I'm analyzing film. Then we get one tactical adjustment prepared for you for that next week. Not overwhelm, not 20 changes, but just one strategic pivot that's going to keep you winning. That's the Porsche manual. Quarterly fueling, priming sessions, performance reviews, 3 systems that work whether you're in the boardroom or on the motocross track, closing deals or conquering trails. This is how executives and business owners get their edge back stronger than before. Hey, and look, my man, look, we both know that you don't need me to convince you of anything. You didn't get to where you are now by being sold. You got there by making smart decisions. So let me just give you the straight facts. I work with executives and business owners who want their edge back without living in the gym using this exact system. And I've been doing this for 17 plus years with hundreds of guys just like Dan and just like you. I know what works, what doesn't, and how to make it fit your life while working around your injuries and getting you stronger than before. Now, if you want to explore working together, go ahead and book a game plan call below and we'll map out your transformation and what that looks like. No pressure, just a strategy, my man. And then, hey, You can decide if it makes sense for you. But before you do that, here's what I know about Dan and about you. You didn't get to where you are by sitting on the sidelines and hoping things would change. You got there by making game time decisions and executing. Dan made a game time decision to get the right system. Now, he's not just back in the game, he's dominating in business and back on the motocross track, stronger than before. I've helped hundreds of guys through this exact decision over 17 years. The system is proven, the results are predictable. The only question is timing. And for guys like us, you and I, timing is everything, my man. This is your game time decision. So you can either keep spectating or get back in the game. You know what you need to do. Click below, book the call. And when we get on the call, here's what I need you to say. Put me in, coach, because I'm ready to get back in the game.